Hello guys, welcome to my channel. The first job that I would like to talk to you guys about February the 15th of 2022 is fully remote customer service representative. The job is called Ashton Carter. It's in Durham, based out of Durham, North Carolina. It's a remote job for $18.50 per hour, and it's a contract job. And the benefit of having this job is a 403B, and the equivalent experience for full job description will be equivalent will be you have to handle incoming calls, answering questions pertaining to annuities, IRAs, and 403Bs from across the United States. Calls can include questions about services, withdrawals, address changes, account information, etc. Maintain product and procedural knowledge, and perform outbound calls to follow up with customers regarding their questions. Now, they do have training. It's Monday through Friday. It's 8 a.m. to 5:15 p.m. And most likely after training, most likely you will be assigned either at a 9:15 a.m. or 9:15 a.m. to 6 o'clock p.m. or 10:15 a.m. to 7 p.m. shift Monday through Thursday, with Friday shift being 8:15 a.m. through 5 p.m. This opportunity will fill fast. If you are interested, email your resume to Alex Sumali. I hope Sumalo. I might have said her name wrong. Hopefully, I have said it correctly. If not, please forgive me. Now, if you guys like that job, just go ahead and get connected with that job. Now, the second job will be the telephone survey representative job. The Research Solution Center is the name of the company. The Research Solution Center Incorporated. It's based in North Dakota. It's temporarily remote. It's from 11 a.m. Oh, no, it's $11 an hour. Excuse me. $11 an hour part time. Okay, it's an ongoing need to fill this role, and it has a flexible schedule. That's the benefits of this job. It says we currently have employment opportunities available for Minnesota and North Dakota residents only. So people who are applying, they have to be from Minnesota or North Dakota, not North Carolina, North Dakota residents only. No previous experience necessary. Flexible schedule available. High-speed internet connection and home computer, laptop required. They supply all the employees with their own USB headset for conducting calls. No phone line is necessary. All calling is done by logging into our secure server from your home. Our system automatically tracks your calling time once you log in, which is used to calculate your payable hours. Employees are paid twice a month via direct deposit or paper check by mail. We pay you full rate for training, which will be conducted remotely, one-on-one, by our training staff. You must be 18 years old or older. Looking for people to start immediately. Skills: you have to have strong phone and verbal communication skills, along with active listening, ability to manage time effectively, good reading skills. Job type is part-time. Like I said, the pay is $11 per hour, and it does have flexible schedule. That's the benefit of this job. Now, the schedule, they have day shift Monday to Friday, night shift, weekend availability. COVID-19 considerations: all work is being conducted remotely due to COVID-19. Application questions: they say, do you have access to an internet in your home? Do you have a home computer or laptop? Or what is the best phone number to contact you at? Those are the three questions they're going to be asking you, and this job was just posted a day ago. So if you guys like this job, go ahead and apply. Good luck. Now, the third job is it's called um, Lifesaver Ignition. I think Ignition Interlock Ignition. I have a hard time reading this, but it's a Lifesaver Incorporated. It's a call center sales remote job, and it's $14 per hour. It's a full-time job. It's an ongoing need to fill this position. Um, they have the company overview, and they have the position overview as well listed below. And the schedule requirements: you're going to have to need is this overview of contact center schedules Sunday through Saturday with hours between 8 a.m. to 11 p.m. Eastern Time. 8-hour schedules working 4 weekdays and 1 weekend day. Employee schedules are determined based on business need. Overview of contact center training class schedules Monday through Friday for 3 weeks. Daily 8-hour class. Times may vary between 8 a.m. through 8 p.m. Eastern Standard Time. All schedules are assigned when position is offered and will not be altered within the first 90 days unless company business needs require a change into different hours or days. The skills and specifications of this job, you would have to have excellent communication skills, sales and interpersonal and typing skills, ability to work efficiently and effectively in a multitask, high call volume environment, strong oral communication skills, including active and empathetic listening, effective and accurate decision making skills, minimum 1 year experience in call center sales or collections, demonstrated successful telephone sales techniques, specifically with building rapport, overviewing objections, matching features and benefits to clients' needs, and acting or buying signals. Knowledge and practice with metrics based accountability, proficient in Microsoft Word, Microsoft Office, Outlook, and Excel. Bilingual is a plus. It's not necessary, but it's a plus if you are bilingual. Duties and responsibilities engage potential clients with IID inquiries via phone, email, text, and web to schedule install appointments. Reply promptly to inquiries made by customers. Provide individualized customer service of a high standard professional level. Reinforce the company brand and service value in helping customers get their life back to normal. Control and direct unresolved issues to the authorized resource and conduct follow ups on customer interactions and manage customer accounts. Work from home requirements. Employee is required to provide equipment that meets company specifications, computer, headset, and internet. Employee must be able to provide personal computer and headset to work from home. That meets company requirement specifics. Windows 10 or 11, Intel processor Core i5-4440, 2.1 gigahertz, megabytes, 16 gigabytes RAM, hard drive 500 megabits, free space. Web browser, Google Chrome and Mac or a Chromebook cannot be used. Working computer, camera, during training, meetings, etc. Must have a wired internet connection at a regular internet speed. Example DSL or cable connection, no dial-up. Ability to work efficiently and effectively in and at home, quiet, uninterrupted space, or a multitask high call volume environment. Dual monitor required. Must be self disciplined to provide a professional conversational experience for all customers and meet all requirements for working during schedule hours and shifts. Education, you have to have a high school diploma or the equivalent. Associates or bachelor's degrees preferred. Other is competitive pay, benefits, 401k, and equal opportunity employer. Physical requirements with or without reasonable accommodation, sitting standing frequently 75 to 100% of the time. Fine motor movements frequently 75% to 100%. All job descriptions are subject to change. And this is a job that pays $14 an hour and it's full time. And it has paid time off, life insurance, health insurance, dental insurance, and vision insurance. And again, 401k. 8-hour shift, supplemental pay is commission pay. And it's the experience that you need is work from home, customer service for 1 year is preferred, and call center sales 2 years preferred. Language, Spanish preferred, but it's not required. It's remote, and it was listed just one day ago. So if you find any of these jobs to be handy, go ahead and apply. Much success. Don't forget to hit that like, subscribe button, and I'll see you guys back again. Have a great Tuesday. Bye.